Ready to supercharge your customer support by adding new agents to your Aisensy Dream Team. First, navigate to the Aisensy website and log into your account using your admin credentials. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the Team or Agents section typically located in the sidebar menu. Click on it to access the Agent Management area. On the Agents page, you'll find a prominent Add Agent or button. Give that button a click to start adding a new team member. A form will appear, prompting you to enter the new agent's details. Fill in their name, email address, and assign them a role. Carefully select the appropriate role for the agent, considering their responsibilities and access level. Aisensy usually offers roles like agent, manager, or admin, each with different permissions. Next, configure the agent's permissions. This lets you control which features and channels they can access, ensuring data security and efficient workflow. Double-check all the entered information to ensure it's accurate, and then click the Save or Create button to finalize the agent addition. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the agent has been successfully added to your Aisensy team. The newly added agent will now appear in the list of agents, ready to start assisting customers and collaborating with your team. You've now streamlined your customer support by growing your team with Aisensy.